good, boys and girls, and very welcome to Growing Guitar. Hope everyone is well out there. This will be a quick one. It's Myke Towers and Jay Wheeler on a collaboration with a song called AUNQUE LLEGUE OTRO. Hope I was close with the pronunciation there. This is for all my Spanish-speaking fans. So let's do this together. We have it set up here with the capo on the 2nd fret, and with that comes 4 very easy chords. That's the reason for the capo on 2nd. So let's go over the chords, and we're gonna start with C. Okay, so C goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have A minor next, very easy transition to this chord. You just release the 3rd fret A string and put it on the 2nd fret G string. All right, so that gives us open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have the E minor, again, very easy transition to this position here, and that gives us open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is D. And that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. All right, so that will be the chord progression from the beginning till the very end of this song. C, A minor, E minor, and D. All right, so we have this string pattern that is very common for these kind of songs. So if you grab the first chord, C, one round will be down, up, clap, down. Okay, so that is one round. You're gonna start with down and then a pause, and then comes up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. A couple of rounds of it to get the feeling for the rhythm. That is very common, like I said. It goes like this. And so on. All right, guys, so you're gonna play only one string around per chord in the same order we just learned it. I mentioned it: C, A minor, E minor, D. Let's go for a couple of rounds of this chord progression, and it sounds like this. Alright guys, so that covers Myke Towers and Jay Wheeler's AUNQUE LLEGUE OTRO. Yes, so thank you so much for watching, guys, and if it was helpful, please subscribe to this channel and see you soon. Till then, play tuned.